MYHIXEL I Pleasure Device has been designed so that you can enjoy yourself while learning how to improve ejaculation control. Thanks to its anatomically realistic interior, its heating system, and therapeutic vibration, the device allows the sensation of a real penetration so that the learning process can be applied directly to a sexual relationship. Before starting your program, you must set up your device. First, do a 3-hour charge with the device plugged directly into a power source. Even if the indicator light turns off, it will continue to charge. To heat the interior of the device, press the upper button for a few seconds and let it heat up for 12 to 13 minutes. You don't have to wait for the light to turn off. Do not heat it more than twice in a row. While it heats up, you can activate your MYHIXEL Play application with the code that comes with your MYHIXEL I. Get ready to start the program as soon as it finishes reaching the temperature. In the application, you can see the tutorials on how to perform each activity. Each planet will specify whether or not you need to turn on this mode. You just have to press the bottom button for a few seconds and it will be activated. You're now ready to go. Remove the cap and lubricate the inside of the sleeve. Remember, it isn't recommended to use your device for more than 25 minutes. MYHIXEL I, enjoy the journey to your next sexual level.